Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 429, Technical Answer for Crypto. It is the weekend, so it is Friday. Great stuff. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We're the one to know what you're thinking. Also, if you're going to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once stream is done, join us in the Discord. Links in the description. So there's a link to our Twitter in case you want to engage with us there. Let's move on and look at what's happening with crypto. What? Yes. Transition. There we are. What's happening with market cap on the daily? Well, yesterday we managed to move below still the old 786 right at 531.54 billion. Right now, we're sitting still slightly below that area at 531.21 billion. But we're recovering what we lost on the prior day. So we're almost fully recovered, right? We lost 1.65%. We're gaining 1.53, which is fine. Now, on that note, again, like I said, right, creating this hidden bullish, see if it manages to play out and hold, and try to get us above this level again. That would be great for crypto, right? Let's go check out Bitcoin dominance. What is happening with Bitcoin dominance? Moving up higher still. So yesterday it gained dominance 0.51. Today it's losing 0.11. And magically enough, even though it's losing dominance, Bitcoin price action is better. It's actually sitting at $18,303.25. Is that good? Yeah, I think so. I think it's very good. Hidden bullish. Found support where we're meant to find it at 17,781. Still trying to move up right now, which is okay. Again, it's going to be the weekend. It might be a slow weekend. Sitting neutral at 52.76 on the RSI. Not a lot happening on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart. Look at this magic, right? Stuff that we know and we should look for when we are charting. And we are creating strong bullish divergence for action to the upside. Now we have it against MACD and the RSI, right? So we have that double, which is really good. By the way, I think the volume might be a little bit higher than usual because the music sounds really high. There we go. Let's adjust that to there. Let's keep the stream rolling, man. So, Bitcoin pulling back up, getting above the 20, which is extremely good. We would be getting back into this area of support resistance. Let's see if Bitcoin can continue with this. I really like the way that Bitcoin's in this action. We talked about developing bullish divergence. Maybe here at support. We didn't have it here at support. We broke the support. Developing the next candle pumped us back up, which is really good. And again, oh snap, I didn't want to move that like that. There we go. I just want to drag that and make that a little longer in the same angle that we had before. So there it is. Slightly higher. Let's see. There we are. I think that's the way. No. So that had already gotten in. Let me see. Let me undo that. There. That's the way we had it. Again, it's a nice support. Again, getting back into this area. Getting back into this area of support resistance. Good stuff happening for Bitcoin. 1422. The only thing that we have right now that we should be watching out for is this hidden bearish that we're developing right here, right? We'll be having it against the MACD, but not against the RSI, right? Just neutral at 49.03. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour Bitcoin, we're looking for the bullish divergence, right? We're not quite getting it here. We still dropped slightly more, and that's fine. We didn't get it here against the MACD. We still managed to hold on to that against the RSI, and then we took that nice pump to the upside, right? Great stuff happening. High, low, low, high, low, high. Hidden bearish developing, right? Steve, Family Game Night. Sorry, can't watch much. We'll watch replay. Awesome, Steve. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you enjoy Family Game Night. What games do you play with your family? I'm actually curious because I'm a gamer too. Tabletops and games. So, let me know. Actually, the downside, we're starting to flag, which is good. We could flag a little bit, still hold on support here, and then try to go on a new rally. Great stuff happening with Bitcoin, right? I'm not mad at Bitcoin at all, dude. I'm super happy for Bitcoin and the way it's playing out. Neutral at 58.27 on the RSI. Let's go check out Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily. Move down again below that 547, sorry. Today moving back up again, same stuff that Bitcoin again had the hidden bullish. Let's go to the 4-hour. We're probably still Rummy Q. You just wrote Romeo, but I guess it's Rummy Q. Haven't played Rummy in a long time, dude. Higher, higher, and higher. We don't have that bullish divergence. We have the bearishness, though. Let's see. 0.15, 0.26. Yeah, for sure, man. For show. Oh, guess what? Whatever I drew on Bitcoin on the 1 hour, I didn't anchor it. Let's put it on our chart again. Oh, by the way, like I said, right, hidden bearish, potential action down slightly. Let's see how that's going to play out. Let's go to 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, we had the bullish divergence, right? We didn't have it here against the RSI. Here we ended up developing it here against the RSI. And, you know, it's fine. We went also here and from here to here. So that bullish divergence, right, kicked in, moved us up, found some bearish divergence that's moving us down, hidden bearish at best. From there to there, from there to there. From here to here. Move down, taking support, taking a bounce. Now, are we going higher, making more negative, more or positive momentum? 1.50, 1.52, slightly more. We are also slightly higher on the RSI, so it's good, man. On Bitcoin, just let me correct this real quick, because otherwise it's going to turn into a nightmare. I think it's just this line that I drew. I'm not going to be able to sleep all right if I know that I didn't correct this on the stream. This one's already there, so that's cool. Let's go to look at XRP, man. XRP had its magical move today, right? What was this? Spark came and went. XRP was, I wouldn't say largely unaffected by it. It did get affected by it. It happened at a different time frame or time schedule that I was waiting for it to happen. I'm not sure if my exchange just took the snapshot later or something like that, because they had said that it was going to happen at 18 hours my time. And the market stopped dropping an hour before that. So that was weird, right? I wasn't ready for that to happen like 1 hour before. Yesterday, XRP lost 5.89%. Today, losing 0.52, sitting at 53 cents, 53.54 cents. Back under its channel, 54.81 to 47.54, right? That's the targets. To the downside if we move here. And we could try to recover with the rest of crypto. Let's hope that it's the case. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, let me go back to the daily real quick. This will just track onto there, right? So not this one, but that will track onto there. That will just keep on tracking. And this will just keep on tracking and still have that that hidden bullish, right? So let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, we had hidden bullish. We took that nice pop, dude. This was a very good move, right? Rejected, moved down. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative. Low, higher, low. Let's go here short term. Look, we're coming slightly higher than this previous low. The move that I'm looking at right now is from here to here. Right, happening, something happening here. A little something, something. Right, like that, and then from here, 102, 147, right? Slightly more negative. Some hidden bullish happening. Right now, this is slightly higher, though, right? That's what I'm saying, the hidden bullish. There we go. Now, what could happen is that this drops slightly more, and then this will be slightly higher here, and then we'll have strong bullish, right? So that's what I'm looking for right now in XRP. Again, this one we don't have right now. We just have the one against the MACD, the MACD. And with that, we've wicked back up onto this level, the 54.81, but we're not sustaining it. Right? I want to go to 1 hour chart. You might wonder why is this blue bar here? Because that's when the supposedly snapshot was taken at my exchange. So they had this communication out, right? Look. The snapshot will be taken at on December 11, 2020 at 18 hours of Mexico City time. So 18 hours would be this chart, right? 18 hours, right? Where I have my line here. 1 hour prior to the snapshot, drop. During the snapshot, drop all the way down here, dude, to 49. I'm not lying. I'm going to get rid of this blue line. Look, 49, right? Or sorry, 50. So 49 and change, 50. We hit 50 on the dot. We're recovered, and right now we're moving down and trying to hold on to this mid part of the channel. The only thing I did was extend the downsloping channel, So I want to see where we're at with relation to that channel. And as we can see, we're still on the upper half of the channel, so that's fine. We can try to move up again. I was able to make. I was hoping to be able to make a play here, right? But I believed that this move was going to happen at 6 p.m. So when I came online to look at the chart, it was like already massively dropped, and this was all the way down here. And I was like, dude, we're gonna get pulled back up, you know. And there was no point in selling at this level, and because we were dropping so fast that we're gonna get pulled back. And we did pull back and still close green. I'm glad that I didn't sell at this level. I would have taken a hit on my XRP holdings. Now, sitting neutral at 40.94 again, weirded out. I set up an alert 5:30, and by the time I got to the computer, it was already almost. It was right on at 6, like 5:59 or something, and this was already like dropping massively. So bad stuff happening for XRP prior to the Spark token release. Sorry, I hope I was able to mute the sneeze. What else is happening here? Well, not a lot right now, right? This would look like we're just getting continuation of where we're at here, right? At 6 a.m. So we could call this rally the pre-Spark rally, and all we did, like after Spark or pre-Spark, is just drop back to the same level. And we are right now at the same level, so that's about it, right? We have not done much. 277, 29, so slightly more. The only thing we do have is strong bullish divergence against the RSI, and that's okay, really. I'm not, I'm hoping price action to the upside still to happen because of this. We could still go up to this level for 54.81, or even try to get up above this level and go to the 20 at 55.31 on the RSI. Let's go check out Litecoin. Litecoin on the daily. Oh, Spotify ads, great, man. Coming into play with like full force volume. Today's stream is going to be super quick. I'm not going to look at markets, although they move down. I'm just gonna look at cryptos, and that's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Really, I got stuff I need to do that I didn't get a chance to. I didn't get a chance to do earlier today. Litecoin again, hidden bullish, moving it to the upside. It's all good. Neutral at 47.78 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart, we just kept on tracking that slightly more. One more candle. We didn't have it against RSI. Right, we got rid of it here. Action to the upside. Boom, taking a pop. Hitting the 20. Trying to test, see if we're going to break above. If we move above the 20, we're going to confirm one more candle, then we could look for a movement up. If we fell to 20, we could be looking for a movement down and probably dropping below this level. Let's hope that is not the case. Where are we at here? 10, 15. All right, so high, low. There we are. We don't have it against RSI. Neutral at 46.23. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Again, thank you guys for being here. If you're watching, I hope you're enjoying the show, and I hope you hit that like, that bell, that sub. Let's keep this going, dude. The 1-hour chart, dude. We created some bullish divergence. Great. 5 in the morning, right? We were in live there. I was like fast asleep at the time. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. There we are, dude. Strong bullish divergence. Actually, the upside we moved up, rejected a little bit, and then continued. So, good stuff. Now, high, lower high, as you can tell. So, high, low. But Mo, FYI. Sorry, Wi-Fi. Sure, man. I'll look at Wi-Fi after Binance. I'll do Litecoin, Binance, and then Wi-Fi for sure, bro. No worries. Thank you, Bob Mo, for being here and for requesting a coin. Hidden bearish divergence, actually to the downside. We're starting to flag, which is okay. Again, holding on to support at the 20. We could move down slightly more. Neutral, sorry, bought at 60.16 on the RSI. For this in the 1 hour, did I anchor it? Yes, I did. Awesome. That's for Litecoin. Let's go to the Binance. The Binance. Brought to you by. Right on. The 1 hour. Those are the daily. On the daily, moving down still yesterday. Today recovering what we lost, which is fine. Don't have anything bullish. Do we develop? No. Low, high. Negative plus negative. Low on the other side of hard point. Neutral at 43.63. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we're looking for this bullish divergence. We did develop it still, right? Just a couple hours later. We don't have it against the RSI. And that node would pop to the upside again, right? Trying to get above that 20, just like Litecoin. That's about it. Now, I'm going to reverse it here. I'm not going to call any hidden bearish. So I'm going to go to the 1 hour chart. Low, lower, native, more native. Now, short term here, we develop some strong bullish divergence again by 5 in the morning. So on that, you know, we can see that there's a move that we're getting right now. There we are. All right, so strong bullish divergence. Actually, the opposite. We're taking that pop now. High, higher, positive, more positive. High on there, such a hard point. Nothing bearish right now, which is good. That's it for buying. It's neutral at 57.11. Again, where could we go? Well, we're just flagging, so we could try to aim for that 28.50 again. And let's see if we hit that area. On that note, let's go check out Wi-Fi because it just got requested by Bob Mo. Thank you, Bob. Wi-Fi, man. There's Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi on the daily, taking a nice pop. 7% gains right now. What are we doing here? Low, high. Right, so hidden bullish. Right on, right. So potential to move to the upside. Crypto boss Andrew, can I look at new, please? Sure, bro. We can look at new. Never been here, Andrew. Moving up, heading for that 20. Again, above the 50% retrace, which is fine. I'll see if Wi-Fi can continue this. Neutral at 52.11. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, again, that nice curvature. Again, strong bullish divergence here, though, right? Look at this. Boom, boom. Let's just get this anchored here on the 4 hour chart. Bam, bam. 26.91, and then this is slightly higher at 28.33. Strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. Take that move, reject that here at the 50, and then move above on the next candle. That's very, very nice. Now, previous high that we have is here, so positive, less positive, high on the other side, lower point, nothing bearish right now. Neutral at 50.92. I just made a video on new. I think 0.25 will be our next resistance. Thoughts on that? Well, let me get to new and we'll look at it. And then I gotta write down that we gotta do ADA for Andrew because he ain't here today. He told me. He popped in earlier. He said he had game tonight. Right on. Come on. Here we are. Alright, so low, lower low, negative, less negative. Low on the RSI to hard point on the RSI, right? So we have strong bullish divergence section to the upside. We moved up, rejected slightly, failed to go lower than the previous low. Continuation, rejection, continuation. So good stuff here. Low, right, low, higher low, positive, more positive, high on the RSI to a higher point. Everything's good here. Just short term, right, from here to here, we might be developing some very, very slight bearish divergence that we can get rid of if this pumps slightly more. Right, where could we go? Well, I think it's a 382 that I have. Yeah, it's a 382 I bluff. So the 382 would be a good target. That would be right here around 28,900. We're flagging right now. We don't have any. We just have this small bearishness here. If we manage to flag properly, we could go on another run. Right? That's what I'm looking at for Wi-Fi. That's it. Wi-Fi. Thank you for being here and requesting Wi-Fi. Yeah, no problem, Bob. Thank you for asking, bro. Let's do new. New at 23.9 cents. What's it doing, man? pumped yesterday. Dude, look, Andrew, great. He did a deep retrace, 618 today. Or yesterday, managed to pump up some, right? Right now, pumping up, rejecting 382, but that's good, man. We've made a good retrace. Now we could be looking for action to the upside. That's nice. We don't have anything on the daily to look at. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour starting to show data. We have some strong bullish divergence, right, from here to here. And from here to here. Right, we don't have it against the RSI. That's great. I don't have anything to look at against here. Against the MACD, the RSI is fine. So we're just moving up on that. Getting above the 20, finding support, which is extremely good. Now, let's go to the 4 hour. Is 25 cent a target? Yeah, it could be a target, man. I mean, I would even say, yeah, that 25 range area would be good. Right, I was looking here. Look at this potential resistance, maybe around this area. Why am I calling it potential resistance around this area? Here was support. Here was near support. Again, support and resistance, right? That's what I'm targeting there. That would be 26, and then below that, over here, we would seem to have an area of support right around 24.9. So yes, this could be a range for support, right? Look, we've moved below, moved back up, and we've held this area for a while. So we could be moving back on that area, Andrew. FIL, sure, bro. I'll do that one after ADA though. So right now it's new ADA and then FIL. Right on. So what do we have right now on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour that I don't like? Bearish divergence, strong, and we have near a resistance, right? That 382 on the fib nodes. So that worries me a little bit. That means that we could move down potentially, right? Like that, and that, right? So strong bearish divergence might move down to the 20 at 22.17, or even here at the 50% at around 21.65, and see where we can go from there. But yeah, 25. If it moves up and breaks above this level, it definitely is a possibility. If we reject here on the divergence and move down, if we bounce at the 20, we could try to get another go. If we drop here to the 50%, we could be looking for another movement down to come in still. So let's go and check out ADA, and then we'll do Phil. Where be my ADA? Here it is. ADA on the daily. Yesterday, I managed to hold on to that support that we were calling for right on the hidden bullish. That's great. All stuff held properly, so I'm happy with that. It's fine. Action to the upside. So we opened that support, right? That 786 right here at 1392, and now we're trying to move up. So that's great, man. At sitting right now at 14.50 cents. So go to the 4 hour. Had the bearish divergence, right? We moved down to that. So great, man. And this is from the 1 hour chart. Right on. So again, hit bearish, move down, low, higher, low, negative, less, negative, low, never see your higher point. This failed to drop lower than the previous low, thus giving us continuation, right? And then moving up. So great. Moved up, rejected 20, and then moved up again. We do seem to also have still some hidden bearish here. And now we even have it against the RSI. So there's a potential for action to downside here, stalling to happen on ADA on the 4 hour chart. See, I've forgotten to anchor the previous thing, and now I gotta clean this up real quick. What's happening on the 1 hour chart? On the 1 hour chart, high, low, positive is positive, high, RSI. To about a lower point, I would say. Let's see, 63, 63, 63, 30. So slightly less. So that's fine. Short term here, we created bullish divergence, right? We already took that pop though, and that happened today at 5 in the morning, right? Along with the other projects that we've seen develop this same strong bullish divergence, and then taking that nice pop, right? There we are. Took action to the upside, that's great. Then moved down slightly, found support, and then popped again. Now we're flagging, so that's good, man. Everything's okay in the short term here. Taking a nice flag here on Cardano. Could pop up again. Let's go look at Phil. Steve! That was not nice. Didn't get my buy-in yet. Oh, Steve, I thought you were playing games already. Phil, alright, so you're trying to jump in here, Mo. Alright. Let me go on the daily first. Obviously, it's not going to have any data. It's just going down since today's starting to move up slightly. That's okay. Let's go to the 4 hour. Down. Starting to move up slightly. No data, so nothing to call here. Let's go to the 1 hour. So low. Right. We can work with this. Low. Lower. Negative. Less negative. And the RSI doesn't look that good, but it's okay. You are just won. Just saw me looking at 88. That's awesome, bro. Go play games with your family, bro. Come on. It's family time. I would kill to have family time right now. I was playing Tenzio with my kid earlier. And that was good. We just played a couple. Like, we did some really quick games. So we just played a couple matches. And but I do have a lot of games, dude. I have a lot of games. Like I'm a hardcore tabletop gamer. So like King of Tokyo, Zero, Dixit, Tokaido, some expansions, categories, Quirkle, Tenzi, Zombie Dies, Munchkin, Shake Geek. At least those are the ones that I can quote right now. I have a lot of games. Actually, the upside. So Risk, Risk, and then some of the classic like Risk, Clue, Monopoly, and other games like that. That's it for Phil, right? We're looking for movement to the upside. Would I get in right now? Let's try and find support here at the 20, which is the only good thing. It doesn't have a lot of data, man. It's not looking too good, right? We're above the 20. That's fine. Let me hide it. Swing slightly more here. Oh, dude, look at this. High, higher, high, lower. Some hidden bearish. This could be a stall area for potential movement down. And this here says 50.05, and here it says 49.89. So high to low, right? So there's that potential for bearish divergence. Sorry, this is also coming slightly lower, so never mind that one. That hidden bearish just against the MACD, right? That's what I'm looking at. So there's a chance that this could stall at this area. I mean, it still has strong bullish, so it could just be a stall and then take off. So right now, it's really fighting to hold on to that 20, right? So you can tell, I'll move that here. And we just rejected it. So you want to confirm closing above the 20 and then see that you want to move away from the 20 to try to get an in. Because right now we're at this area where next candle keep moving and then move down again to the 20 and then break it. New coin to Coinbase, yeah. Probably explains why it pumped, right? And why it's been moving down. This probably came on the Coinbase listing and it's just moving down since. I'm gonna look at DVT, although I really feel like I shouldn't. Oh, 1.5 sats. That hurts. Fury. Again, you know why I'm looking at this coin, right? I'm part of the market in the AO, and I hold a good chunk of this. I'm not pushing the project. I'm not shilling the project. I'm looking at it, and I've been looking at it since before I wasn't there marketing the AO. I've been looking at it because I like the project and I have a good size holding on it. So that's the reason, right? Low, high, negative, plus negative. Low on the other side, 2, 100%. 4 hour, not giving, the 1 hour not giving me any clues. Let's go to 4. Low, lower. Nope. Sideways and you know, from here to here we had called some hidden bearish right yesterday. So we're around here. So we knew there was going to be a chance for it to move down. It has moved down slightly. Let's go to the daily. Coming in lower still right now. All right, so low, lower, native, more native, low on the other side, lower point. From back here, we should be okay. 29.38, 27, right? So low, higher low, negative, more negative, right? So there is some bullish divergence there, but it hasn't played out. For this, let's go check out RSR. I'm not sure. Tomorrow there's not going to be a stream, guys, by the way. I forgot to say that. It is the wife's birthday, so I'll probably not be here tomorrow. Right? I'll be here day after tomorrow. So Sunday. Next stream on Sunday, right? I'm going to be here on Christmas night. Don't worry. But I won't be here tomorrow. So not a lot happening here on the daily, right? Move down, moving up right now. You know, still within this area. The 382 to the 50% retrace. So let's go to the 4 hour. Low, higher, low. Come on, load up. Negative, less negative, low on there, side to higher point, nothing bullish again. Recovering above the 20, which is okay. We don't have a lot going on here, so let's go to the 1 hour chart. And the 1 hour chart, right? It was coming low. That's fine. We did create some of that bullish divergence again by 5 in the morning, like the rest of other like some of the cryptos we're doing, right? Look at that, and we don't have it here against the RSI, but that's good enough. Bullish divergence, actually the opposite. Rejected the 20, held support, and then took another bounce. So that's good stuff, right? That's the good stuff happening here. You're gonna have yeah. Thanks, man. Thanks, Bob, for being here. I hope you like the show. Dude. Catch you again then on Sunday. I hope, you know. Anyways, this also has that bearishness, right? Low, high, high, low. We don't have it against the RSI, but hidden bearish. Potential action to downside or stalling happening here. Sitting at 1.92 cents. That's it for RSR. I'm just going to look at the markets real quick. I'm not going to go into detail. The Dow, you know, it says it's at 0, so it probably opened and closed and didn't move much. It's already given the 14s for some reason. So yes, managed to gain 47 points. It wasn't much, right? S&P gained also very little. Actually lost 4.64 points. London dropped 152 points. Nikkei dropped 103 points. Toronto dropped 44 points. You know, we have bearish divergence and all this. And then oil moved down also on bearish divergence. So that's fine, right? Gold and silver are also moved down slightly, but, you know, not by much. Actually, gold moved up and then silver moved down, so it's okay. That's it, guys. That's going to be it for tonight. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, hit that like button, that sub again. This is Stellar Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Friday night. I hope you enjoy the weekend. Again, no stream tomorrow. Stream will be back on Sunday. So I'll catch you then. Thank you, Andrew, for being here. Thank you, Bob, for being here. And thank you, Steve, for being here. Jake, I'm not sure if you're here. I know you sometimes lurk, but thank you guys for being here. Again, that's going to be it for tonight. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Stellar Crypto. Until then. That is cool, Andrew. I'm going to go look at NIO real quick, though, just because you just pointed out that it's moving up, right? That's what we said we could get to. New. Right, look. Heading for target, right? It rejected. Ha! It rejected right where we said it would. Hi. 249. I have it at 2497. This got to 2496, so 2493. So very close. That's where we're rejecting, right? Remember, if we get above that area at 25 cents, we'll be very likely achieved. And then we're gonna face probably another resistance here at 26.22, right? Again, that's it for new. Again, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you again Sunday.